how to change account in PS5 Fortnite. So here's what you want to do. Open up Fortnite. Now you will press the options button right here on your controller, and then you want to go into settings, and again or the menu, and we will select settings. Now press the R1 button. It's going to be this one at the top until you go to the last tab, which is going to be account and privacy. Click X, then you want to log out. Are you sure you want to log out? Again, you want to press X. Okay, so once we have done this, you can press the PlayStation button, and now we can close the game. So we're just going to press the options button and close game. And now what we have to do is go here and select settings, users and accounts, go into other, and you want to select sign out. Once you click on sign out, this is gonna sign you out of your PlayStation account, and if we go back into Fortnite and open it up, now it should let us sign into a different account. So let's just see if it works here. So we're gonna be updating it. All right, so right here, as you can see, we can select sign in manually, and now you can sign into a different account. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.